Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. This is Chapter 4 of Diary of a Pug, Pug Blasts Off. Chapter 4, Pug Unleashed. Monday. Dear Diary, Bella left for school this morning. I worried about flying in that rocket all day long. Imagine me, an astronaut. I was totally off my game. I didn't even feel like annoying Duchess. A little nervous today, are we? None of your business. Usually, it seems like forever until Bella comes home. But today, the hours flew by. I did not want to go in that rocket. No, sir. At my lowest moment, I even hoped it would rain. Then we would not be able to test the rocket outside. Can you imagine, Diary? Baron von Bubbles actually wanting it to rain. Weather Channel, Monday afternoon, sunny. Before I knew it, Bella was home. I tried to give her a nice welcome, but my tail couldn't even wag. Bella took the rocket out to the yard. I brought Bear with me for good luck. It's almost time for blast off. Stand back, bub. Huh? Stand back? It turned out Bella never wanted me to fly the rocket. Phew! I went to grab Bear to celebrate, but Bear was not there. Just then, a gray streak dashed across the yard. Oh, that Nutz! He is the sneakiest squirrel round. I had to rescue Bear, but Nutz ran up the tree to where I could not reach him. These legs are not designed to climb. Come and get it. Bella was counting down to the rocket blast off. 6, 5, 4. Suddenly, it hit me. The rocket would be the perfect ride up to Nutz. I was nervous, Diary, but Bear needed me. At the last second, I jumped on the rocket and blasted off. 3, 2. I'm coming, Bear. Oh, no, Bob. Ah! The rocket flipped and spun out of control. I made it to the tree all right. Splat! Oh, Bubby, are you okay? Ha 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 ha. Oops. That didn't go quite like I imagined. Bella got me down, but I've never seen her so sad. The rocket was in pieces all over the yard. We gathered some parts of it, but others are still missing. It's all my fault. Oh, Bub, we are never going to win now. Diary, I can't stand seeing Bella so sad. I didn't mean to ruin the invention. I have to make it up to her. But how? End of chapter 4. We'll see you soon for chapter 5. Bye-bye.